The 2024 Suzuki Ignis is a compact small SUV, priced from £16,949. It's evolved from a basic hatchback to a stylish SUV with hybrid technology. Despite its compact size, it offers practicality and a unique presence on the road. Measuring just 3.7 meters long, the Ignis is as compact as city cars like the Hyundai i10. Yet it boasts SUV features like flared wheel arches. Inside, it comfortably seats 4 with sliding rear seats for flexible space. The Ignis features an 82 brake horsepower, 1.2-liter petrol engine with mild hybrid technology. It offers optional 4-wheel drive, enhancing its off-road capability. However, its handling is less refined, with noticeable body roll and inconsistent steering response. Inside, the Ignis provides good visibility and a cheerful design. However, materials feel low-rent, and the infotainment system is unresponsive. Standard features include a rear-view camera and LED headlights, with more options available on the SZ5 trim. The Ignis is economical, achieving up to 59.6 miles per gallon. It offers competitive pricing against small SUVs, especially with 4-wheel drive. However, rivals may offer better comfort and lower insurance and servicing costs.